In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Canva. This is a really simple but powerful way to keep your designs, images, and other assets organized so you don't waste time hunting for files every time you start a new project. Let's start from the Canva dashboard. Once you're logged into your account and you're on the main screen, take a moment to look at the left-hand side of the interface. This is where you'll see different options like your recent designs, templates, and most importantly for this tutorial, the Upload section. First, click on Upload. This is usually represented by a tab or button on the left side labeled Uploads. When you click it, Canva will open a panel where you normally add images, videos, or other files from your computer. Even if you're not planning to upload anything right now, this is the place you need to be in to manage and organize your uploaded content. Once that panel is open, look within that same area for the option related to folders. Depending on your version of Canva or any recent updates, you might see a Folders tab or a small folder icon within the Upload section. Go ahead and click on Folder. This will switch your view from just a list of files to a more organized layout where you can see existing folders, if you have any, and the option to create new ones. Now that you're in the Folders area, you're ready to set up a new place to store and sort your files. Look for the button or link that says Create Folder. Click on Create Folder and a small window or box should appear asking you to name your new folder. Choose a name that clearly describes what you plan to store there, like client logos, social media posts, or stock photos. Taking a moment to name it well will save you a lot of confusion later. After you've typed in the name, confirm the action, usually by clicking a Create or Done button. Canva will instantly generate your new folder, and you should now see it listed among your other